Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to enter and exit Big Pictures mode on Steam. So first of all, we will go enter the Big Pictures mode. You can go to the top right corner and you can see here it's Big Pictures mode icon. You can click on here and now we are enter the Big Pictures mode. Now we are already in Big Pictures mode. And to exit from this big pictures mode, you can go to the bottom left corner, click on menu, and then click power. In the power, you can see here it's option to exit big pictures mode. You can click on here, and now we are exit the big pictures mode. So I hope this video useful and see you in another one.